Hi guys, it's Roo here from Prepared Camping. Today I'm just going to show you how I turn this cheap garden twine you can get from hardware stores, gardening centres, places like that. How to make it a bit more durable and a bit more useful as cordage. And once you've made it into a piece of cordage, like a mini section of rope, the things you can do with it after that are quite varied, really. So how you turn something from that thickness into something that thickness. Okay, so here goes. I'm going to make a section today with 6 strands in it, and I want it to be about ½ metre long. So I'll just double it over a few times. Don't have to be too precise. That's 3 strands, 4 strands, 5 strands, and 6. Right. Get the old trusty Swiss Army knife. Right, so now at one end I've got 2 loops and 2 flying ends, and at the other end I've got 3 loops. So the 3 loops, I'm just going to put a simple knot up there. Feed it back through itself. There you go. I'm going to loop that over a door handle. And then the loops at the opposite end, I'll just open them up. Now, separate this into 2 sets of 3. I've got 3 strands in each hand. And then, between thumb and fingers, just start twisting them. And I don't know if you can see, but eventually it starts twisting up here then as well. Now at this point you'll notice that this is also here twisting, so every now and again you just have to take that off the handle, straighten it out again, loop it back on, and go back to the twisting action between finger and thumbs. And just carry on with that all the way to the end. If you make a mistake, you can always just unroll it like that. And you get a nice tight twist. And do that all the way to the end. Doesn't matter if you don't always get all 3 loops over the end, by the way. You can even just do it on 1 loop if necessary. Right, now I've got fairly near to the end, so I'm just going to put a simple knot up here by feeding it through itself. There you go, simple little section of cordage. Now you can see that it's a little bit hairy. You could always just singe those, because it's natural fibres, Jute. You could always just singe those off with a lighter or over an open flame. And if you were doing this whilst you were out camping or something like that, obviously you're not going to have a door handle. So, but there's plenty of trees about. You can always find one that's got a broken off branch, or if necessary you can even trim a little branch, and you're good to go. So there you go guys, that's how you turn a piece of jute string into a piece of rope. Now obviously This rope here was made with 6 of those strands twisted together. You could make this thicker by adding more strands, or you could even do this and then get 3 or 4 sections like this and twist them together in the same fashion to make a thicker rope. Yeah, I'd love to hear your feedback, so please use the comment section below, or you can contact me on Instagram and Twitter and email. All those contact details are in the channel description in the about section, and I'd love to hear what you say. So yeah, if you liked, please consider giving it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more or similar videos, I hope you consider subscribing. Thank you. Take care.